Hello everyone, today I will talk about MPPE-B Primary School Teacher Eligibility Test Previous Year Paper with Solution। टेस्ट पेपर है 6 मई 2023 का और टेस्ट स्लॉट है शिफ्ट 1। सब्जेक्ट है जनरल हिंदी। ये पेपर है 150 क्वेश्चन आते हैं इसमें। कुछ क्वेश्चन हिंदी के हैं, बाकी इंग्लिश से पूछे गए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं। पैसेज के ऊपर दिया, ये पैसेज पढ़ के देखते हैं। निर्देश क्या दिया है, नीचे दिए गए गद्यांश को पढ़कर पूरे पूछे गए प्रश्नों के उत्तर वाले विकल्पों का चयन करो। सही उत्तर का चयन करो। संस्कृति ऐसी चीज नहीं जिसकी रचना 10, 20, 100, 50 वर्षों में की जा सकती है। जो कुछ हम भी करते हैं उसमें हमारी संस्कृति की झलक होती है। यहाँ तक कि हमारे उठने बैठने, पढ़ने, ओढ़ने, घूमने फिरने और रोने हंसने से भी हमारी संस्कृति की पहचान होती है। तभी हमारा कोई एक काम हमारी संस्कृति का पर्याय नहीं बन सकता। असल में संस्कृति जीने का एक तरीका है और यह तरीका सदियों से जमा होकर उस समाज में छाया रहता है जिसमें हम जन्म लेते। इसलिए जिस समाज में हम पैदा हुए हैं अथवा जिस समाज से हम मिलकर हम जी रहे हैं उसकी संस्कृति हमारी संस्कृति है। यद्यपि अपने जीवन में हम जो संस्कार जमा कर रहे हैं वे भी हमारी संस्कृति के अंग बन जाते हैं और मरने के बाद हम अन्य वस्तुओं के साथ अपनी संस्कृति की विरासत भी अपनी संतानों के लिए छोड़ जाते हैं। इसलिए संस्कृति यह चीज़ मानी जाती है जो हमारे सारे जीवन को व्यापे हुए है तथा जिसकी रचना और विकास में अनेकों सदियों के अनुभव का हाथ है। यही नहीं बल्कि संस्कृति हमारा पीछा जन्म जन्मांतर तक करती है। यहाँ तक अपने यहाँ एक साधारण कहावत है कि जैसा संस्कार है वही ही पुनर्जन्म भी होता है। जब हम किसी बालक या बालिका को बहुत तेज पाते हैं तब अचानक कह देते कि वह पूर्व जन्म का संस्कार है। संस्कार या संस्कृति असल में शरीर का नहीं आत्मा का गुण है और जबकि सभ्यता की सामग्रियों से हमारा संबंध शरीर से के साथ ही छूट जाता है तब भी हमारी संस्कृति का प्रभाव हमारी आत्मा के साथ जन्म जन्मांतर तक रहता है। यह हो गया अपना पैसेज। इसमें क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं, 5 क्वेश्चन इसी के दिए गए हैं। दिए गए विकल्प में से उपयुक्त गद्यांश के लिए उचित शीर्षक का चयन कीजिए। जैसे क्या दिया है, उचित शीर्षक क्या होगा, संस्कृति और सभ्यता। ए इसका सही आंसर है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 क्या बोल रहा है, तुम और आप खालिस्तान प्रश्न पुरुषवाचक सर्वनाम है। इसका सही आंसर है मध्यम पुरुषवाचक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 दिया है, उपयुक्त गद्यांश के अनुसार असत्य कथन का चयन कीजिए। इसमें से असत्य क्या है, संस्कृति ऐसी चीज है जिसका चीज नहीं जिसका, ये सही है। असल हमारा कोई एक काम हमारी संस्कृति का पर्याय बन सकता है। असल में संस्कृति जीने का एक तरीका है। ये वाला इसका सही आंसर होगा डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 दिया, उपयुक्त गद्यांश के अनुसार रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति कीजिए। संस्कार संस्कृति, असल में इसको ऊपर संस्कृति वाले गद्यांश में देखेंगे तो इसका आंसर मिल जाएगा। इसका आंसर है ए, असल में शरीर का नहीं आत्मा का गुण है, जबकि सभ्यता की सामग्रियों से हमारा संबंध शरीर के साथ ही छूट जाता है। इसका ए सही आंसर है। अब यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 तक इसके दिए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से दूसरा पैसेज चालू होता है। निर्देश काव्यांश को पढ़कर पूछे गए प्रश्नों का सबसे उचित उत्तर वाले विकल्पों का चयन कीजिए। जैसे दिया है, शून्यता में निद्रा की बन, उमड़ आते ज्यो स्वप्निल घन, पूर्णता कालिका की सुकुमार, छलक मधु में होती साकार, हुआ त्यों सूनेपन का भान, प्रथम किसके उर में अम्लान, और किस शिल्पी ने अनजान विश्व प्रतिमा कर दी निर्माण, काल सीमा के संगम पर मोम सी पीड़ा उज्जवल कर, उसे पहनाई अब गुंडन, हाथ और रोदन से बुनबुन, कनक से दिन मोती सी रात, सुनहरी सांझ से गुलाबी प्रातः, मिटाता रंगता बारंबार, कौन जग किया यह चित्राधार, शून्य नभ में तम का चुंबन, जला देता असंख्य अड़ुगन, बुझा क्यों उनको जाति मूक, भोर ही उजियारा ले फूक। इसका 5वां क्वेश्चन जो दिया है इसी पैसेज के ऊपर दिया गया, निम्न में से उपयुक्त पंक्तियों की रचयिता का नाम बताइए। रचयिता का नाम है डी महादेवी वर्मा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 दिया, निम्नलिखित में से युद्ध भूमि शब्द कौन सा समास है? इसका सही आंसर है ए तत्पुरुष समास। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, उपयुक्त पंक्तियों के अनुसार रिक्त स्थान की पूर्ति कीजिए। काल खालिस्तान के संगम, इसका इसी पैसेज में लाइन आया है। काल सीमा के संगम पर मोम सी पीड़ा उज्जवल कर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, निम्न में से गुंठन का अर्थ क्या है? इसका सही आंसर है घूंघट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 जो आता है जनरल इंग्लिश का है, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज 2। जैसा कि ये पेपर इंग्लिश का दिया गया है तो इंग्लिश में बाकी क्वेश्चन आएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 देखते हैं। In the question below consist of a set of labeled sentence. These sentences, when properly sequenced from a coherent paragraph, select the most logical order of sentence from among the option. P की दिया है एप्पल आईफोन शिपमेंट फेल 11% in the quarter globally by why. Here is given here is starting from P and end till S. Q क्या गिवन है? To ramp up sales, implemented price cut from the iPhone XR in India and China market. This was the third consecutive quarter of a decline in Apple iPhone shipment. On the positive sides, Apple saw phenomenal demand for AirPods. The right answer of this question is A, P, R. First P, then R, then Q, फिर then S, है ना? This is ascending order. Question number 10. In the below question, 4 sentences are given which when properly arranged make up a paragraph. Rearrange the given sentence and choose the option that provide the correct final order. There are 4 options. This one P, Q, R, S. I plan do a whole series of article around the house. What's and why of grocery shopping, sorry. As boring and mundane as this particular task is, it is an absolute necessity and is essential part of becoming an adult. But to begin with, here's presenting an all-exhaustive list of grocery essentials that will suffice for running any Indian household, irrespective of how big or small it is. When people say they enjoy shopping, they don't generally refer to one particular type of shopping grocery. There are four options. Then right one is SQPRS. When pupils say they enjoy shipping, they don't generally refer to particular types of shopping grocery. फिर उसके बाद then after that Q as boring and this one. After that P I plan to the P, then after that R. But to begin with, the right answer of this question is C. SQPR. Question number 11. Select the incorrectly spelled word. This one is C is incorrectly word. Question number 12. Given below are 4 sentences which have been jumped. Pick the option that given the correct order. This question is also based on the correct order of there are 4 alternatives which is given A, B, C, D. Then C is the right answer of this question. Then we will start from C. It's common knowledge that dogs wag their tail when they are happy and tuck them in when they are anxious. Then A. Then we will move on A. Some wordy language, however, is a little less clear. After that D. Like, have you ever wondered what it really means when they put their paw on U, then after that P turns out it could be a sign of affection that translate into the three words that we long to hear, I love you. Question number 13. In this section, each item consists of 6 sentences of passage. The first and sixth sentence are given in the beginning as S1 and S2. The middle 4 sentences in each have been jumped up and labeled as P, Q, R, and S. You are required to find the proper sentence of 4 sentences and mark your response accordingly on the answer sheet. S1, starting from S1, the poor blind man wanted to go on the other side of the road. Then SQRP. SQRP. After that, S1, S is correct. Then the helpless man waited for a long time. After that, Q, he was sad as he could not go across. After that, Q, R, then a scooter stopped in front of him. Then P, the Mohan got off and came to him. Mohan helped him in crossing the road. Question number 14th. Question number 14th subject है English. Subject है English. The subject is English. We will move on. Question number 14. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill in the blank. Before I eat them, I will dash this dash of pears. I will pair this pair of pear. A is the right answer of this question. Question number 15. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill the blanks. Blank of any religion are not easy to follow. Hundreds of blanks were shot in the battlefield. The right answer of is A, cannon or then cannons. Question number 16. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill the blanks. He go down to the blank every week to lay flower on her cave. The addition may interfere with the blank of the building. Then right answer of this question is asymmetry or symmetry. The addition may interface with symmetry. Here symmetry will come and here symmetry will come. Question number 17. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill the blank. The courtier obeys the king's order in a blank manner. There is a danger of becoming blank if you win a few games. Complacent. A is the right answer of this question. Question number 18. Select the option that is not an antonyms of the another word by way of adding the prefix in. The right answer of this question is inhibit. Question number 19. Select the option that is not the antonyms of another word by way of adding the prefix un. Un. The right answer of this question is C. Unanimous. Question number 20. Select the most appropriate meaning of the bracketed idioms in the given sentence. The worldwide movement against the environment pollution and the climate change is in the offing. The right answer of this is imminent. Question number 21. Select the most appropriate phrase to fill in the blank. The two good friends exchanged hot words but the interventions of their teacher. The right answer of this question is B. Poured oil on the troubled waters. Question number 22. Select the most appropriate phrase to fill in the blank. As the fashion designer, it's my job to blank the changes in fashion trends. Right answer of this question is C. Keep abreast of. Question number 23. In the following question, out of 4 alternatives, select the alternative phrase which is best a substitute of the phrase a pleasant song sung to send children to sleep. The right answer of this question is B. Lovely. Question number 24. In the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, select the word opposite in the meaning to the word given. The right answer of this question is over. Question number 25. In the following question, out of the 4 alternatives, select the word similar in the meaning to the given word जो भी meaning to the word given. Declaration. The right answer of is shallow. Question number 26. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idioms. Take heart. The right answer of this question to take courage. 27. Question number 27. Select the most appropriate phrase to fill in the blank if the board decreases our funding for the project. It will really be throw a spanner into the work. Question number 28. In the following question, the word at the top is used in 4 different ways numbered A to D. Choose the option in which the usage of word is incorrect or inappropriate. Lay. He lay. She sighed as she lay the visitor book beside the pen. She and lay back wondering if she would ever make an entry in it again. Question number 29. In the following question, the word at top is used in 4 different ways number A to D. Choose the option in which the usage of word is incorrect or inappropriate. A. Some people cannot adapt to new surroundings. This is inappropriate. Question number 30. Select the option that is not an antonym of another word by way of adding the prefix I. IL. Question number B is the right answer of this question. Illusion. Question number 31. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill the blank. He was criticized for his blank handling of the situation. The title given to the project is blank. The right answer of this question is inapt. Question number 32. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill in the blanks. A couple of victories would improve the team's victories enormously. It's her blank obligation to tell the police what she knew. Question A is the right answer of this question. Moral. Question number 33. Select the correct pair of homophones to fill in the blanks. The communal speech of the leaders blank to the mob to the violence. His work show originality and blank. The right answer of this question insight. Question number 34. Select the most appropriate meaning of the bracket idioms in the given sentence. He got plenty of money to hire a proper legal team. I don't think he needs the like of us taking up the grudge. The right answer of this question is to support. Question number 35. Match the word with their meaning. The right answer of this question is A canorous to 2 resonant. Then B to 3. This one traitor, stalwart, liver. C to 1. Question number 36. Out of the four alternative givens, select the word which closely fit the given definition. The last straw. The right answer of this question is C. The final resource of irritation for someone to finally lose patience. Question number 37. Out of the alternatives given, select the word which closely fit the given definitions. A blessing in disguise. The right answer of this question is D. And misfortune that eventually result in something good happening later on. Question number 38. In the following question, out of the given four alternatives, select the one which is similar in meaning to the given word. Courtier. The right answer of this question is heart. Question number 39. In the following question, out of the given four alternatives, select the one which is similar in the meaning to the given bracket word. The crunch was a hollowed place because of the scared artifacts. The right answer of this question is D. Holy. Question number 40. In the following question, out of the given four alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the proverb, the early bird catch the worms. A. One who arrives first has the best chance for success. Question number 41. In the following question, out of the given four alternatives, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the proverb, don't judge a book by its cover. The right answer of this question is not to form an opinion about something based on its outward appearance. Question number 42. Choose the word or phrase for the given option that is closest in the meaning to the bracketed word in the sentence. The farmer was banished from the village. The right answer of this question is D. Expelled. Question number 43. Choose the word or phrase from the given option that is closest in the meaning to the bracketed word in the sentence. The man was notorious for gambling and has lost all his wealth in the process. The right answer of this question is C. Infamous. Question number 44. Against the keyword are given some other words. Choose the word or phrase which is nearest in the meaning to the keyword decline. The right answer of this question is A. Quite. Question number 45. Choose the word or phrase from the given option that is closest in meaning to the bracketed word in the sentence. The pain did not mitigate despite a painkiller. The right answer of this question is D. Subside. Question number 46. Choose the word or phrase from the given option that is closest in the meaning to the bracketed word in the sentence. He had to cite many examples in the thesis to make it convincing. The right answer of this question quit. C. Question number 47. Choose the word from the option that is most similar in meaning to the given word describe. The right answer is certain. Question number 48. Select the correct synonyms of the given word sumptuous. The right answer of this question lavish. Question number 49. Select the correct synonyms of the given word gargantuan. The right answer of this question is B. Enormous. Question number 15. In the following question, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word capricious. Capricious. The right answer of this question is A. Fickle. Question number 51. Choose the word from the given the most similar in the meaning to given word followers. The right answer is commotion. Question number 52. Choose the word from the given option that is most similar in the meaning to the given word subjugate. The right answer of this question is overcome. Overpower. C is the right answer. Overpower. Question number 53. Choose the word from the option that is similar in meaning to the given word pencil. The right answer is thoughtful. Question number 54. Choose the word from the option that is most similar in meaning to the given word some. The right answer of this question is abrasive. Question number 55. Choose the word from the given most similar in the meaning to the given word sophisticated. The right answer of this question is D. Polished. Question number 56. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning the given word rootfully. The right answer of this question is bitter. Question number 57. The most option choose the word from the given option that is most similar in meaning word peculiar. The right answer of the question is strange. Question number 58. Passage से आया. Read the following passage clearly and choose the most appropriate answer. The given forward human rights are moral principle or norms for certain standard of human behavior and are regularly protected in municipal and international law. They are commonly understood an inalienable fundamental right to which a person inherently entitled simply because she or he is human beings and are inherent in all human beings regardless of their age, ethnic origin, location, language, region, ethnicity, or any other status. They are applicable everywhere and at every time in the sense of being universal, and they are egalitarian in the sense of being the of some for everyone. They are regarded as requiring empathy and the rule for law and imposing an obligation on person to respect the human right or other and it is generally considered that they should not be taken away except as the result of due process based on specific circumstances. The doctrine of human right has been highly influential within international law and global and religion institutions. Action by states and non-governmental organization form a basis of public policy worldwide. The idea of human rights suggests that if the public discourse of peacetime globally society can be said to have a common moral language, it is that of human rights. The next question 58 comes with this passage. Question number 58. Human rights are commonly understood as inalienable. Why is it so? Why is it so? The right answer of this question is D. Because of person is human beings and these rights are inherent in all human beings. Question number 59. What does the very idea of human rights suggest? The right answer of this question is B. If the public discourse of peacetime globally society can be said to have common moral language, it is that of human rights. Question number 60. Human rights are egalitarian. What does it mean? The right answer of this question D. They are the same and equally important for everyone. Question number 61. As used in the given passage, what does the underline bracket word empathy means most nearly mean? The right answer of this question is compassion. Question number 62. Imposing an obligation on person to respect the human rights of others. What part of speech is the word other in the given line? The right answer of this question is pronouns. Question number for 63 comes next passage. Read the following passage carefully and choose the most appropriate word to the given question out of the four alternative. These Beat sisters appears to Macbeth and his comrade bomb after the battle, and they predict the Macbeth with be king, and that the descendant of Bank will also reign. When Macbeth arrives at his castle, he and Lady Macbeth plot to assassinate King Duncan soon to be their ghost, to be their guest, so that Macbeth can become king. After Macbeth murders Duncan, the king, two sons flee, and Macbeth is crowned, fearing that Banquo descendant will, according to the Beard's sister prediction, take over the kingdom. Macbeth as being killed. As the royal banquet that evening, Macbeth sees Banquo's ghost that appears covered in blood. Macbeth is determined to consult the weird sister again. They comfort him with ambitious promises. Another nobleman, Macduff, rides to England to join Duncan's older sons, Macklon's. Macbeth has Macduff's wives and children's murders. Macklon's and Macduff lead an army against Macbeth as Lady Macbeth goes mad and commits suicide. Macbeth comforts Macklon's army, trusting in the weird sister comforting promises. Macbeth learns that promises are tricks, but continue to continue to fight. Macduff kills Macbeth, and Macklom becomes Scotland's king. Question number 60. Who among the following responsible for murder of the central character of the story? The right answer of this question, Macduff. Question number 64. According to the passage, who Macduff actually is? The right answer of Macduff is a nobleman. Question number 65. Macbeth learn that the promises are trick. What trick are here being talked about by the author? The right answer of this question, the trick of the three weird sister. Question number 66. After Macbeth murder Duncan's, the king's two sons flee, and Macbeth is crowned. Which part of speech is the word flee in the given line? The right answer of this verb. Question number 67. As used in the given passage, what does the line bracket word assassinate mostly nearly means? Not. क्वेश्चन नंबर इसका राइट आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 68 पैसेज रीड द फॉलोइंग पोएम्स carefully and choose the most appropriate answer to the given question out of the four alternative. Tree at my window tree, my sash is lowered when night comes on, but let there never be curtain down between you and me. With dream had lifted out of ground, and thing next most diffuse to cloud. Not all your light tongues talking aloud could be performed, but three I have seen you taken and tossed, and if you have seen me when I slept, you have seen me when I was taken and swept, and all but lost. That day she put our heads together. Fate had her immigration about her. You had so much concern with outer mind with inner weather. Question number 68 comes out with this passage. Which of the following is an example of personification in the poem? Tree at my window tree. Uh, the right answer of the question is 3D. Question number 69. What is the part of speech of the word profound in the following line? Tree at my window tree, not all your light tongues talking aloud could be performed. The right answer of this question is A. Adjective. Question number 17. How does the poet describe his connection with the tree at the window in the poem Tree at My Window? The right answer of this question is C. The poet has a close relationship with the tree. Question number 71. Which does the poet means when he describes a big vacuum dream had lifted out of the ground? The right answer of this question is A. The poet is referring to the tree. Question number 70. What is the poet attitude towards sound made by the tree in the poem Tree at My Window? The right answer of this question is C. Poet. C. The poet is indifferent to sound made by the tree. Question number 73. In the following passage, question, a sentence has been given in active voice, passive voice. Out of the four alternatives suggested, select the one which best expresses the some sentence in passive active voice and mark your answer. The modern technology has made our life so easier. The right answer of this question is C. Our life has been made so much easier by the modern technologies. Question number 17. For in the following question, a sentence has been given in active passive voice. Out of four alternatives suggest select the one which best expresses the same sentence in passive active voice and mark your answer. Patila House Court of Delhi is to give a major verdict in the Nirbhaya case. The right answer of this question is A. A major verdict in the Nirbhaya case is to be given by Patiala House Court. Question number Patiala House Court. Patiala House Court. Patiala House Court of Delhi. Patiala. Sorry, there is some mistake in pronunciation. We will make it. Question number 75. In the following question, a sentence has been given in active voice, passive voice. Out of four alternatives suggested, select that one which best expresses the same sentence in passive active voice and mark your answer. The Supreme Court has already dismissed the curative petitioner of V.K. Verma. The right answer of this question is D. The curative. The curative course petitioner of V.K. Sharma has already been dismissed by the Supreme Court. Question number 76. In the following question, a sentence has given the active passive voice. Out of four alternatives, select that one which best expresses the same sentence in passive active voice and mark your answer. It is time to expedite tangible policy interventions. The right answer of this question is B. It's time for the tangible policy intervention to be expedited. Question number 77. In the following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of four, suggest select the one which best expresses the some sentence in passive active voice. The right answer of this question is B. The government would hold a design competition to commemorate 76th Independence Day. Question number 78. In the following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of four alternatives suggest select the one which best expresses the same meaning in the passive active voice. Yashwani Yashwini cannot draw such a beautiful picture in the competition. The right answer of this question is D. Such beautiful picture can't be drawn by Yashwini in the competition. Question number 79. In the following question, a sentence has been given in active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, suggest the select one that is best to express the same sentence in active passive voice. Who gave you this stunning golden watch? The right answer of this question is B. By whom were you given the this stunning golden watch? The question number 18. The following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, suggest select that one which best express the same sentence in active passive voice. Why are you not revising your lecture for your upcoming exam? The right answer is why are your lecturer not being revised by you for your upcoming exam? Question number 81. The following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, suggest select that one which best expressed in the same sentence in passive active voice. My younger brother was told many times to stop making lame excuse in the classes. The right answer of this question is A. The teacher told my younger brother many times to stop making lame excuse in the class. Question number 82. In the following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in active passive voice. The teacher is going to teach the student in interesting lesson. The right answer to this question is A. The student are going to be taught in an interesting lesson by the teacher. Question number 83. In the following question, a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, suggest select the one which best express the same sentence in passive active voice. Why are the pupil not being helped to set up their business by the state government? The right answer to this question, why is the state government not helping the pupil to set up their business? Question number 81. For similar correct, you have to choose correct active passive voice. Mr. Middleton pushed his invention beyond the point of politician. The right answer of this question is A. His invention beyond the point of politeness were pushed by Mr. Middleton. Question number 85. In the following, this is also similar question. You have to choose the correct active passive voice. The boss has punished the example for not submitting the final report. The right answer of the question is C. The employee has been punished by the boss for not submitting the final report. Question number 86. In the following question, a sentence has been given in active passive voice. Out of 4 alternatives, this question is also similar. They are the women are smarter than men. The right answer, women are said to be smarter than man. Question number 87. You have to choose active passive voice uh, for the given sentence. The employee brought up this issue during the last meeting. The right answer of this question is D. The issue was brought up by the employee during the last meeting. Question number 88. You have to choose active passive voice. The researcher used Silver Light software for quantitative data analysis. The right answer of this question is C. Silverlight software was used for alternative data analysis by the researcher. Question number 89. In the following question, a sentence has been given. You have to choose active passive voice. This research has been approved by the ethics committee of the Institute of Granulology. The right answer of this question is A. The ethics committee of the institutes institute has been gerontology है ना. The ethics committee of the institutes of gerontology has approved this research is the right answer. Question number 90. In the following question a sentence has been given in the active passive voice. You have to choose active passive voice. Question given है Margaret will propose some new tools and technique to obtain the product detail. The right answer of this question is A. Some new tools and technique will proposed by Margaret to obtain product detail. Question number 91. You have to choose active passive voice. Will the cat finally catch the mouse in the cartoon Tom and Jerry? The right answer of this question. Will the mouse be finally caught by the cat in the cartoon Tom and Jerry? Question number 92. Active voice. You have to choose active passive voice. My best friend has spotted me in the crowd. The right answer of this question. I have been spotted by my best friend in the crowd. Question number 93. Which of the following is an example of receptive skills? The right answer of this question is A. Reading. Question number 94. Language is the medium through which one can express one's idea, thought, feeling, etc. B is the right answer. Question number 95. Which of the following is the aim of language teaching? The right answer of this question. All of the given above. 96. Which of the following sentence is incorrect? Regional speech habit do not influence pronunciation. Question number 97. A teacher should blank while using problem solving technique. Encourage divergent thinking. C is the right answer. Question number 98. Over learning is term which is used to describe which of the following? The right answer of this question is A. The practice of learning over and beyond the requirement of particular class or age. Question number 99. If a teacher gave the meaning of difficult word in his student's mother tongue, this is new as A is correct answer है the bilingual method. Question number 100. Which of the following is useful? Heterogeneous classroom. The right answer of this question is D. Translation cum grammar method. Question number 100. Which of the following sentence 101. Which of the following statement is not true about the bilingual method? The right answer of this question is A. It was developed by H.E. Palmer. Question number 102. In which of the following year the bilingual method of teaching was developed? The right answer of this question is 1960. In the late 1960s. Question number 103. Who could be the implementer of education among the following? A teacher. Question number 104. The iconic mode of learning is based on the following system using image, JPG and diagram. Question number 105. Which of the following helps in learning second language without using the printed text? The right answer of this question language immersion. Question number 106. A good teacher is someone who gives student ample opportunity to learn. Question number 107. Which approach emphasizes interaction as the mean and the goal of learning a language? The right answer of this question is D. Communicative. Question number 108. The structural approach advocates. The right answer of this question is selection and graduation of material. Question number 109. Language learning in constructivist classroom would be mainly based on. The right answer of this question is group discussion and peer interaction. Question number 110. Which of the following classroom practices helps a teacher to develop oral language among the student? Right answer of this question shows recitation of the poem after memorizing it. Question number 111. The structural approach of the given more importance to which of the following? The right answer of this question is reading and writing. Question number 112. If a teacher Observe that one of his student is not able to write a paragraph on his own, but he can write it under the adult or peer guidance. This guidance is called scaffolding. Question number 113. To write another writer's words and idea into your own word is also known as paraphrasing. Question number 111. How would you plan to link the paragraph to each other in an easy essay writing? The right answer in this case is making sure that each paragraph link to the introduction. Question number 150. What is the most effective way of lying to use the linking words in essay writing? The right answer of this question is C. Learning some popular linking word and phrases to use between the sentences. 111. Which one of the following point do you include in an introduction of an essay? Right answer of this question is D. Introduce topic area in one or two sentences. 111. Which one of the following point is included in body of an essay? A topic sentence that state the main idea. Question number 118. During the process of sharing thoughts and ideas, the communication suffer many from. The right answer of this question is physical barrier. Question number 119. Blank is not one of the 7 C's of the communication. The right answer of this question is C. Character. 120. While writing a letter, one has to be friendly. Question number 121. Exchange of idea between two or more person on a particular topic is D. Communication. Question number 112. In a business letter, the preferred spacing between the line is A. Single. Question number 123 is in a business letter, the preferred spacing between the paragraph is C. Double. Question number 124. How we can address the recipient when we are writing an informal letter? Question my dear. Question number 125. In which part of formal letter the key point are written? D. Body. Question number 126. In letter writing format, a title Dear Mr. Harish is the best example of C. Solution. Question number 127. What is the motive of writing a letter to the editor? D is the right answer है to request him to give some space to your views in his. Question number 128. In some business letter, the attention line is written for C. Right answer expediting the desired result and service. Question number 129. The printed matter that run over the edge of an outdoor board or a page leaving no margin is known as a bleed. Question number 130. How many types of application writing are there? D. 4. Question number 131. When should you send a covering letter? Every time you send your CV to an employer. Question number 132. Which of the following is not a function of a cover letter? The right answer of this question is to inform the reader of what you expect to get out of the job you are applying for. Question number 133. Your resume is tool with one specific purpose. The right answer of this question is B. To win an interview. Question number 134. कुछ सब्जेक्ट पेडोलॉजी से है. द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग ऑफ लर्निंग इज सीखने का सबसे उपयुक्त अर्थ है ए. एक्विजिशन ऑफ स्किल निपुणताओं का संकलन. 135. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द फोर आइडेंटिटी status of Mercia based on एरिक्सन थ्योरी. निम्नलिखित में कौन सा एरिक्सन सिद्धांत पर आधारित मर्सिया की चार पहचान स्थिति में से एक नहीं है? The right answer of this is collected, एकत्रित. 136 as per the NCRB National Crime Bureau Record Bureau of 2020, which of the following education group of juveniles are the highest number इन द स्टेट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश के अनुसार आंकड़ों के अनुसार मध्य प्रदेश में किशोरों के निम्नलिखित में से कौन से शैक्षणिक समूह संख्या में सबसे अधिक है? सी अप टू मैट्रिक तक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 137 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द फॉर्म ऑफ बिहेवियर थेरेपी यूज्ड टू रिड्यूस फोबिक वेरिएंट anxiety responses through counter conditioning, that is attempt to reverse the process of classical conditioning by associating the crucial stimulus with a new conditioned response. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा व्यवहार चिकित्सा के एक रूप है जिसका उपयोग भयांकांत रोगी की दुश्चिंता अनुक्रियाओं को अनुबंधित के माध्यम से कम करने के लिए किया जाता है, अर्थात इसका प्राचीन अनुबंध में की प्रक्रिया को निर्णायक उद्दीपक के साथ एक नई अनुबंधित अनुक्रिया जोड़ने द्वारा उलटने का प्रयास किया जाता है. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ए सिस्टमैटिक डिसेंटिनेशन, क्रमिक विस्वेदीकरण. क्वेश्चन नंबर 138 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट क्रिटिक्विंग कोलबर्ग पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑफ मोरल डेवलपमेंट इस करेक्ट में कौन सा नैतिक विकास के कोलबर्ग के दृष्टिकोण की आलोचना करते हुए सही है? The right answer of this question is D. Kohlberg explained that a specific kind of moral reasoning is caused by a person at various stages. कोलबर्ग बताते हैं कि एक व्यक्ति द्वारा विभिन्न चरणों में एक विशेष प्रकार के नैतिक तर्क का उपयोग किया जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 139 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट काउंट द मॉरल बिहेवियर ऑफ इंडियन इंडिविजुअल. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा एक व्यक्ति के नैतिक व्यवहार में शामिल नहीं है? द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ए डी. The right answer is sorry D. A non-international action such as reflex, एक गैर इरादतन क्रिया जैसे प्रतिवर्त को 140 according to the progressive educationist children should गतिशील शिक्षाविदों के अनुसार बच्चों को loved and cared while teaching and learning occur. शिक्षा और सीखने के दौरान प्यार और देखभाल होती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 144 द की फैक्टर इन द टू फैक्टर थेरेपी इज प्रेजेंट इन ऑल ह्यूमन बीइंग. द्विकारक सिद्धांत में कौन सा कारक सभी मानव में मौजूद है? द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज बी डिफरेंट क्वांटिटी, विभिन्न मात्रा में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 142 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द कैटेगरी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट डायमेंशन इन द मल्टी फैक्टर थ्योरी ऑफ गिलफोर्ड. निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा गिलफोर्ड द्वारा बहुकारक सिद्धांत में उत्पाद प्रोडक्ट का आयाम की श्रेणियों में से एक नहीं है? द राइट आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज विजुअल, दृश्य. क्वेश्चन नंबर 143 सम चिल्ड्रन आर talking and playing in the room with some material, but each child is playing separately. Which level of play is depicted in the above situation? एक कमरे में कुछ बच्चे समान रूप से खेल रहे हैं और बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बच्चे अलग अलग खेल रहे हैं. उपयुक्त परिस्थिति में कौन से स्तर के नाटक को दर्शाया गया? डी इसका कोऑपरेटिव प्ले, सहकारी नाटक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 144 जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर का है. पास्कल इज द यूनिट ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. पास्कल प्रेशर का यूनिट है. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 145 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर अवर वेब ब्राउजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. मोजिला फायरफॉक्स है वेब ब्राउजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 146 द शॉर्टकट की कंट्रोल प्लस आई का यूज़ इटैलिक के लिए किया जाता है. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन सी एम्प्लाइज इटैलिक फॉर्मेट टू सेलेक्ट टेक्स्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 147 विच वेयर इज द मध्य प्रदेश फिश फेडरेशन कोऑपरेटिव लिमिटेड हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड. मध्य प्रदेश मत्स्य सहकारी लिमिटेड का मुख्यालय कहाँ स्थित है? द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज भोपाल में स्थित है. जनरल रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन है. न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी फाइंड रिलेटेड ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर फ्रॉम द गिवन अल्टरनेटिव. इसके आगे कौन सा आएगा? राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज बी डी पी एम एफ. 149 सेलेक्ट ऑप्शन विच इज रिलेटेड टू थर्ड In the same way as second number is related to first number, the right answer of this question is A, 400. Introducing a man, girl said he is the father of the brother of my uncle. How is the man related to the गर्ल? एक आदमी का परिचय देते हुए एक लड़की ने कहा वह मेरे चाचा के भाई का पिता है। फिर आदमी का लड़की से क्या संबंध है? इसका राइट आंसर है ए, ग्रैंड फादर। आज की वीडियो यही समाप्त करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में किसी और सब्जेक्ट से वीडियो बनेगी। तब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए ताकि लोगों को पता चले। आज का वीडियो यही समाप्त करते हैं अपन। नेक्स्ट वीडियो जल्द ही अपलोड होगा। नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल अपलोड as soon as possible. There are still lots of paper available. Thanks.